Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have created this grungy, smoky makeup look with all the products from Collection. I have been using Collection for the longest time possible, so I know these are good quality products. They are cruelty free and I believe some of them are vegan friendly. So if you want to see how I got this smoky, grunge, glowy skin situation, please keep watching. Hello and welcome back to another voiceover with me, Jess. And we're going to start off with primer. This is the Mattyfing Primer. This minimises pores. We're going to have a little bit of a boogie. I clearly had good music on in the background. But this is just going to minimise my pores, give me a smooth, flawless canvas for the rest of this makeup. So far, so good. Next is foundation, and I'm going to go in with a Lasting Perfection Glow Foundation, and make sure to shake your products well before use, girlies, because if it's standing, you're not gonna get the best out of it. But this foundation is a lifesaver. It got me through the 3 years of hell at uni, and it covers all my mistakes and my regrets. And this is a buildable medium to full coverage foundation. It gives you that really glowy, radiant look. And to match up with the Lasting Perfection concealer, this is just like the best combination ever. It will hide those under eye bags that are not designer. So I'm just using this concealer as like a highlight and a conceal. So T-zone, my forehead, under eyes, my chin, just to, highlight and conceal the regrets. Moving on to contour. Now these Gorgeous Glow contour blush and highlight sticks I have never used before. So I was really impressed when I first tried these out. And these sticks, contour sticks, blush highlight sticks, they are so easy to use. So if you are a beginner to contour, these are really easy and really affordable products to use. They are creamy, they blend out really nicely. You can build them up for more sharper, brighter, bolder appearance, or you can share them out for more softer, more natural, no makeup appearance. These just work so beautifully, but the only downside is it's like a universal shade. So there isn't like a shade range to these sticks. It's like a one fits all. So that is the only downside, but these sticks are beautiful, and honestly they are now part of like my day-to-day products. But this highlighter is very, very sheer. You can build it up, but this is more of those like no makeup days. So you're not going to be blinding people, just to keep that in mind. Time for setting powder. This pressed powder is a translucent pressed powder, and I used to love this back at uni, but I instantly regretted what I did today. This powder is better used with a brush, which I figured out later on. It works better with a brush because obviously with a beauty blender we're looking a bit Oompa Loompa, we're looking a bit orange. So I'm just going to buff that out a little bit. Let's move away from the powder and move on to the eyeballs. Now I'm going to be using the Ibiza Sunset palette for this entire look, and I'm happy with the results. I've never used an eyeshadow product from Collection before, so this is the first time for me again, and I absolutely love this palette. These pigments are pigmented. They blend out lovely. They're really easy to blend out, and it's a really easy day-to-day or day-to-night palette. You can't really go wrong with the colours. Do you know what I mean? They're just those colours that can transition from a really nice day look to a really smoky, sultry, sexy, grungy night look. And they're just beautiful colours. These are beautiful shades. They're beautiful pigments. They blend out really easily. You can't really go wrong. I mean, you could go really heavy on the eye and they'll still blend out and soften up and look absolutely beautiful. So I've just gone into the inner and outer corner with this burnt red terracotta brown shade, just for some depth, for some dimension. And I'm now going in with this more sandy orange, terracotta orange shade, just to transition, to blend that burnt terracotta shade out. And I'm just going between the two, the red terracotta and the more orange terracotta, to get that transition, to get a really nice seamless blend. And after that, I'm going to go in with this really, it's kind of like a soft ivory bone shade, and I'm just going to blend that out even more for even more seamless transition, because I don't want any harsh lines. And like I said, these pigments just blend out and work well, really well together. They just beautifully just transition into each other. So we're going for that really soft smoky effect. And then on the lid, I'm going to go in with this shimmery orange shade just for a little bit of a pop. Now with these shimmer shades, you can use dry, you can wet them with a setting powder, with a setting spray, and just give that more of a metallic pop, and it's just absolutely beautiful. Now I'm just going to pop into the inner corner and under my brow bone with this sparkly shimmery champagne shade, just for some highlight, just for an added pop of sparkle, just to finish this eye look off before lashes and more lashes. And for lashes, I'm going in with this mascara, and I can't remember the name of it off the top of my head, but it will be linked down below. And this is just going to curl my non-existent lashes, because I have the worst lash line ever between you and me. So I can't really give you a lot of opinions on mascaras, but it coats my lashes nicely. It gives a little bit of a curl, but you got to put lashes on, don't you? And with the power of editing, she got lashes on. So to finish this look off, it's obviously lips, and I'm going in with this more terracotta peachy nude lip. And this liner is creamy, it's buttery, it's pigmented, it's really easy to apply. And I'm matching it with, like I said, and like I've shown you, this liquid lip. And this liquid lip reminds me of the soft matte lips from NYX, only a little bit cheaper. So you know the product is going to be good, and it's not too dry, and it's actually quite nourishing. It's just beautiful. And we are done. This is the entire look finished. If you wanted a bit more of a dramatic eye look, then go for thicker, fuller lashes. But I just think this is a really cute kind of autumnal, spring, summer, any time of the year really makeup look. It's wearable for all seasons, all occasions. I think it's really cute. And like I said, this is good quality makeup. It's affordable, it's cheap, it's cheerful, it's great, it's cruelty free. What more do you want from your makeup, honestly? So like always, everything will be listed down below for you guys, as well as my Instagram if you want to follow me on Instagram. If you like this video, dislike this video, want to comment on this video, share this video, then please do. More the merrier, I'm very grateful. And if you have any suggestions for future recommendations, any videos that you want to see in general, then let me know down below as well. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!